Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing from Eyenovia Inc., a company that's hoping to change how we treat our eyes. But will they be able to see their way to profitability, or will they need glasses of their own to get a clearer view? Before we dive in, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss these companies with other investors. Today we're looking at an 8K filing, which is basically a quick update that companies send to the SEC when something important happens. In this case, Eyenovia got a letter from Nasdaq, the stock exchange, saying their stock is at risk of getting kicked out. Turns out they don't have enough stockholders' equity or net worth. Basically, Nasdaq is saying Eyenovia's net worth isn't high enough to stay listed on their exchange. The minimum net worth required is $5 million. It'd probably be pubs being delisted or kicked off the exchange. Makes it harder for people to buy and sell the company's stock. Now, this isn't happening immediately. The company's stock is still trading under the ticker symbol IN. They have some time to fix this. Think of it like getting a warning from your teacher. You still have a chance to improve your grades before you fail the class. Eyenovia has about a month and a half until June 13 of this year to come up with a plan to get back on Nasdaq's good side. If Nasdaq likes their plan, they might get another 6 months until October to actually make it happen. But if Nasdaq doesn't like the plan, Eyenovia can appeal, which is like asking the principal to overrule the teacher. Now, Eyenovia is making some predictions about the future, which is also known as forward-looking statements. They use words like intends, may, and will, but they also admit that things might not go as planned. There's no guarantee they'll be able to regain compliance with Nasdaq's rules, and there's no guarantee they'll be able to regain compliance with Nasdaq's rules, and there's no guarantee that Nasdaq will give them a break. The company also says they are not obligated to update these predictions unless the law requires them to. So what does this all mean? Eyenovia is in a bit of a tough spot. They need to convince Nasdaq that they can improve their financial situation. This might involve raising more money, cutting costs, or boosting their stock price. If they can't do that, they could face being delisted, which would make things even harder for the company. Eyenovia has been trying to make a name for itself with its micropine technology designed to deliver eye medication in a precise, comfortable way. But developing new drugs and getting them approved is expensive, and it looks like that expense is starting to catch up with them. Looking at Eyenovia's overall situation, it is facing a significant challenge. The Nasdaq notice is a serious concern. It shows the company is in a precarious financial position. While they have a chance to turn things around, it's not going to be easy. They'll need a solid plan and some good luck to get back on track. The fact that they received this notice is not a good sign. It highlights the risks involved in investing in biotech companies. Drug development is a long and expensive process. There are no guarantees of success. Companies like Eyenovia often face financial challenges along the way. The key to success for Eyenovia will depend on how they execute their plan. They need to raise enough capital to continue developing their products. They need to get their drugs approved by regulatory agencies. And they need to convince investors that they have a viable business model. Ultimately, Eyenovia's future is uncertain, but it is definitely a company to watch. Their innovative technology has the potential to disrupt the eye care market. The company's financial struggles also serve as a reminder of the challenges that biotech companies face. Alright, that's our breakdown of Eyenovia's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.